We're living in the middle of an AI explosion, people. Think about it. Just a couple of years ago, AI seemed like something out of a sci-fi movie. Now, it's everywhere, and it's not just about robots taking over the world, though that's a whole other video. AI is like this invisible force transforming everything we do online. From the way we search for stuff to the ads we see, AI is working behind the scenes. But here's the kicker. It's not just for the tech giants anymore. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can use AI to their advantage. We're talking about AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude that are literally changing the game. These bad boys can write you a killer blog post faster than you can say algorithm. Need a catchy script for your next YouTube video? AI's got your back. It can even help you design a website that would make your web developer jealous. And the best part, these tools are getting smarter and more accessible every single day. It's like having a team of digital assistants working for you 24/7, and they never even ask for a raise. Talk about a dream team. Alright, so we've established that AI is the future, but how do you actually make money with it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We're about to break down some seriously lucrative ways to monetize AI. First up, content creation. Remember those AI tools I mentioned earlier? They're not just for fun and games. These bad boys can churn out high-quality content like it's nobody's business. We're talking blog posts, articles, social media updates, even entire books. Imagine launching a whole library of content without lifting a finger. That's the power of AI. Speaking of books, there's this insane tool called Youbooks that can help you write and publish a full-length book in like a day. Just feed it a few prompts and boom, you're a published author. And the best part, you can sell those books online and rake in the passive income. If you're a freelancer, AI can be your secret weapon to landing high-paying gigs. Use AI to analyze data, write killer copy, or even design stunning graphics. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 3. Building a faceless YouTube empire with AI. Alright, let's talk YouTube. We all know it's the king of online content, but what if I told you that you could build a wildly successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Sounds crazy, right? But thanks to the power of AI, it's totally possible. Think about it. Creating a YouTube channel is a lot of work. You need to come up with video ideas, write scripts, film footage, edit it all together, and then promote the heck out of it. But what if you could automate most of that process? What if you could have AI generate video ideas, write your scripts, create stunning visuals, and even narrate your videos for you? Well, guess what? You can. There are AI tools out there that can handle every step of the YouTube creation process, from start to finish. First up, script writing. Remember ChatGPT? Well, it turns out it's not just for writing blog posts. You can also use it to generate engaging YouTube scripts tailored to your specific niche. Next up, voiceovers. There are AI voice generators that can do the talking for you. We're talking about incredibly realistic voices that will make your videos sound super professional. And of course, we can't forget about video editing. There are AI-powered editing tools that can cut your editing time in half. These tools can automatically cut your footage, add transitions, and even create those cool-looking motion graphics. With the power of AI, you can build a thriving YouTube empire without ever having to step foot in front of a camera. Chapter 4. Success Stories and Your AI Toolkit. Okay, so by now, you're probably thinking, this all sounds amazing, but is anyone actually making money with this AI stuff? The answer is a resounding yes. People are absolutely crushing it with AI, and I'm not just talking about tech geniuses or Silicon Valley startups. I'm talking about everyday people, just like you and me, who are using AI to build businesses, generate passive income, and achieve financial freedom. There are countless success stories out there of people who have used AI to launch YouTube channels, create online courses, write and sell books, and so much more. For example, I know this one guy who used AI to build a faceless YouTube channel about personal finance. He used AI to generate video ideas, write scripts, create voiceovers, and even edit his videos. Within a year, his channel had over 1 million subscribers, and he was making a killing from ad revenue. And then there's this woman who used AI to write and publish a series of children's books. She used AI to come up with story ideas, create illustrations, and even format her books for print and digital publishing. She's now a best-selling author and earns a 6-figure income from her book sales. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories out there. The point is that if they can do it, you can too. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into some of the key tools that can help you achieve AI-powered success. First up, we've got Youbooks, the book writing machine we talked about earlier. Then there's ChatGPT, the Swiss Army knife of AI tools. Use it for script writing, content creation, research, brainstorming, and so much more. And of course, we can't forget about AI voice generators and video editors. These tools are essential for anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos without breaking the bank. Chapter 5. Unlock your AI potential. So there you have it, guys. The future of income generation is here, and it's powered by AI. By embracing these incredible tools, you can unlock opportunities you never thought possible. We're not just talking about making a few extra bucks. We're talking about building a life of freedom and abundance. Whether you're dreaming of launching a YouTube empire, writing a best-selling book, or starting your own online business, AI can help you get there faster and easier than ever before. Ready to embark on your AI-powered journey? Subscribe for more insights and start transforming your ideas into income today.